Okay, so, alright, so action potential is produced when stimulation is high enough so that it can reach the neural threshold, causing the neuron to fire. Action potential or electrical pulses occur in passing through, by passing through the axon until it reaches the synapse at the end over here. Action potential operates in an all or nothing manner, so it means that the neuron either fires completely through the axon or it does not fire at all. Once it fires, like after it fires, it goes through a refractory period or a brief time after the axon is fired to like allow it some time because it has not yet returned to its resting potential. Resting potential is when there is not enough stimulation to cause a neuron to fire, and when it's unstimulated, it's like a small battery and it has a measurable negative charge. Alright, so if when a impulse reaches the threshold, the action potential and the process of transferring information through the neuron begins. So that's, this area, and it will then go to these sites. Now, when they aren't accepted by the receptor sites of this neuron, it occurs part through the breaking down of neurotransmitters by enzymes, but also through a process called reputake. And this is when neurotransmitters that are in the synapse area are actually reabsorbed into the transmitting terminal buttons, and they're ready again to be released after the next neuron fires. So exocytosis is a process which a cell directs the contents of vesicles, which these vesicles are containing neurotransmitters in them. So these vesicles are coming out this way, and exocytosis is the process when it directs these vesicles out of the cell membrane and into this kind of area to then be passed on to the new neuron. And while it's all going on, depolarization is occurring when it's stimulated to the threshold. So depolarization is a change in cell potential. So potential means different electrical charges, a difference in electrical charges, and like I said, they have two kinds of potentials, resting potential and action potential.